Ever think about the unsung heroes behind, like, massive projects?
Mm,
No, not like the ones pouring concrete or, welding steel beams.
right.
I'm talking about the masterminds
Yeah.
behind the tiny components.
Yeah.
The nuts and bolts that hold everything together.
Literally.
Literally. Welcome to a deep dive into the intricate world of component engineering,
Okay.
where we'll uncover what it takes to bring these crucial pieces to life.
Right.
We've got our hands on a detailed career guide from RoleCatcher
Uh-huh.
and some fascinating insights on how AI is set to, like, revolutionize the field.
Yeah, it's easy to underestimate the impact of something small.
Right.
But in engineering, those tiny components can make or break a project.
Yeah.
The source actually highlights a bridge collapse
Oh, wow.
attributed to using the wrong alloy for seemingly insignificant fasteners.
Really?
Talk about a powerful reminder that even the smallest details
A
matter.
bridge collapse. Now, that's what I call a high-stakes screw-up.
Yeah.
So we're not just talking about designing gears and circuits.
Right.
We're talking about ensuring those gears mesh perfectly
Yeah.
and those circuits can handle years of wear and tear.
Absolutely. And the guide dives deep into the multifaceted role of a component engineer,
Oh.
painting a picture of their daily tasks.
Yeah?
You might envision them glued to computer screens,
Right.
but it's far more dynamic.
Okay.
We're talking design and analysis, sure,
Uh-huh.
but also constant collaboration with different teams, troubleshooting on the fly,
Yeah.
and basically being the go-to expert for anything related to their specific component.
Wow.
It's a demanding but incredibly engaging role.
Okay, so they're like the Sherlock Holmes of engineering,
Mm-hmm.
hunting down those microscopic flaws that could snowball into major problems.
Precisely. And with great responsibility comes, well, the rewards.
Yeah.
We're talking about a field with incredibly high demand and competitive salaries.
Okay.
The guide even breaks down salary ranges for different levels of experience,
Oh.
revealing that a seasoned component engineer can command a hefty six-figure income.
Wow.
Not bad for someone who spends their days obsessing over the tiniest details, really.
Sign me up. But the guide doesn't shy away from the potential downsides either, does it?
Not at all. It's not all sunshine and roses, of course.
Right.
Long hours come with the territory,
Mhm.
especially when deadlines loom and a critical component needs urgent attention.
Sure.
And with technology constantly evolving,
Right.
there's a constant need to stay ahead of the curve,
Yeah.
to learn new software,
Mhm.
understand new materials,
Right.
adapt to new manufacturing techniques.
Wow.
It's a career path that demands passion and a thirst for continuous learning.
It's like they say you've got to love the pressure to really thrive in this field.
Yeah.
But speaking of pressure, let's talk about how this career path unfolds.
Okay.
I was really impressed with how the RoleCatcher guide lays out a clear progression
Right.
from junior engineer all the way up to principal.
Yeah, what I found insightful was how the guide breaks down the evolving responsibilities at each stage.
Okay.
It's not just about climbing a ladder, it's about expanding your skill set and influence within a project.
So no more guessing what it takes to move up the ranks.
Right.
Give us the inside scoop. What does that journey from newbie to seasoned pro look like?
Okay, so imagine this.
Okay.
A junior engineer joins the scene fresh out of university, eager to dive into the world of components.
Yeah.
They're probably assisting senior engineers getting their hands dirty with testing and analysis.
Right.
Maybe even contributing to design revisions.
Yeah.
It's all about learning the ropes and building a solid foundation.
You're painting a very vivid picture here. I can practically smell the soldering fumes and hear the whirring of machinery.
As they gain experience, they transition to a mid-level role, taking on more responsibility for their own set of components.
Okay.
They might be leading small teams, coordinating with suppliers, troubleshooting more complex issues. This stage is all about honing their technical expertise and developing their leadership skills.
So they're not just mastering the technical aspects. They're also stepping into project management and leadership roles.
Precisely. And if they continue to excel and embrace those leadership opportunities,
Yeah.
they might find themselves on the path to becoming a principal component engineer.
Okay.
Now, this is where things get really interesting.
Okay.
We're talking about leading large-scale projects,
Wow.
making strategic decisions that impact the entire design process,
Right.
even mentoring and guiding the next generation of component whizzes.
It's amazing how this guide takes something potentially daunting,
Yeah.
this climb through the ranks,
Right.
and breaks it down into these digestible, even exciting stages.
It's like they've created a roadmap for aspiring component engineers, showing them not just the destination, but the exciting stops along the way.
Right?
And speaking of exciting developments, we can't ignore the elephant in the room, or should I say the algorithm in the system. AI is about to shake things up. Yeah.
Even in the precise world of component engineering.
Right. And RoleCatcher doesn't shy away from that at all. They dive headfirst into the impact of AI and automation on hiring practices,
Yeah.
acknowledging the anxieties many professionals have about this new landscape.
What I appreciate is that they don't leave you paralyzed by fear.
Right.
Instead, they empower you to work with AI,
Right.
to see it as a tool for advancement rather than a threat to your career.
So instead of AI being this mysterious force pushing us out of jobs, RoleCatcher is saying we can learn to ride the wave.
Exactly.
I like the sound of that.
They offer a fascinating perspective on using AI to analyze job descriptions,
Okay.
almost like reverse engineering the algorithms to understand what employers are seeking.
Wow.
It's about working smarter, not harder.
That's incredibly practical advice. So instead of just blasting out the same generic resume, you can tailor it to highlight the specific skills and experiences AI recruiters are primed to notice.
Precisely.
Yeah.
It's about speaking their language, so to speak.
And RoleCatcher even provides tips on how to showcase your work experience in a way that resonates with both human and AI reviewers.
Okay, interesting.
It's like having a secret decoder ring for the job market.
This has been an eye-opening deep dive into the world of component engineering. We've gone from the importance of those tiny parts to the evolving career path, and now the exciting and slightly intimidating emergence of AI.
Yeah, and remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Really?
The full RoleCatcher guide goes even deeper,
Okay.
exploring specializations within component engineering,
Right.
whether it's aerospace, robotics, or even nanotechnology.
Wow.
There's a niche for those seeking to become true specialists in their field.
Talk about a future-proof career.
Yeah.
It seems that in the world of component engineering, embracing continuous learning and technological advancements is key.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And while we focused on the technical skills, RoleCatcher emphasizes the enduring importance of networking even in the age of AI. Building relationships with other professionals, attending industry events, and engaging in online communities can open doors to opportunities you might otherwise miss.
As much as AI evolves, it's reassuring to know that human connection still holds immense value.
Yeah.
It seems even component engineers can't escape the need to be social butterflies every now and then.
Precisely.
Yeah.
It's about finding that balance between technical mastery and human connection, leveraging both to thrive in this exciting and ever-evolving field.
This deep dive has given us so much to think about.
Yeah.
If AI can help us analyze job applications and even design better components, what other possibilities might it unlock in the future of engineering?
That's the beauty of this field. It's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Right.
And for those who are ready to embrace the challenge, the future of component engineering is ripe with opportunity.
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling inspired to dust off my old circuit board and maybe even brush up on my AI algorithms. Thanks for joining us on this incredible deep dive into the world of component engineering. Until next time.